Hi students, I am Naresh. Welcome to my channel Jet I Teach. Exercise 2.2, question number 2. Find a quadratic polynomial each with the given numbers as the sum and product of its zeros respectively. Fourth one. 1, 1. Okay, sum of roots is 1, product of roots is also 1. Let the polynomial be ax square plus bx plus c and its zeros are alpha and beta. Given, okay, what they are given? Alpha plus beta equal to 1, alpha into beta equal to 1. Okay, from this you can write as alpha plus beta equal to minus of minus 1 by 1, alpha into beta equal to 1 by 1. Okay, I want to write as minus, okay, but this is a positive term, so I wrote minus of minus 1. Okay, minus of minus 1 equal to 1. Okay, here alpha plus beta equal to 1. Okay, I wrote 1. If you look at the denominator, I wrote denominator is 1. Okay, if nothing, if the denominator is nothing, so I wrote as 1. So this one is minus b by a, this one is c by a. Okay, I want to know the value of a. So because of that, I wrote by 1 by 1. Now you can write the values of ABC. If a equal to 1, b equal to minus 1, c equal to 1. Okay, why I am writing like if? It's a division, it can be multiples of 2. It can be a equal to 2, b equal to minus 2, c equal to 2 is something like that. These are the one of the values. Because of that I wrote as if. Okay, if these are the values, then therefore the quadratic polynomial is generally ax square plus bx plus c. Now a is 1, so x square, b is minus 1, so minus x, c is 1. Okay, x square minus x plus 1. In general, if you want to write this as a general form, k of x square minus x plus 1, where k is real. Fifth one, minus 1 by 4 comma 1 by 4. Okay, sum of the roots is minus 1 by 4, product of the roots is 1 by 4. let the polynomial be ax square plus bx plus c and its zeros be alpha and beta. Okay, given, okay, what they are given, sum of roots alpha plus beta equal to minus 1 by 4, product of the roots alpha into beta equal to 1 by 4. Okay, from this you can write as alpha plus beta equal to minus of 1 by 4 alpha into beta is equal to 1 by 4. If you look at denominator is same, so you don't need to worry about this one. The numerator we have minus 1 here, right? So I wrote outside the bracket. This means that minus b by a, this one is c by a. Okay, denominator is divide by a, divide by, right? Okay, denominator is a, here 4. Okay, value of a is 4, b is 1, c is 1. If these are the one of the possible values. Okay, if a is 4, b is 1, c is 1, therefore the quadratic polynomial is, generally it is ax square plus bx plus c, right? So a value is 4, so 4x square plus x, b value is 1, so x plus c is 1. Okay, 4x square plus x plus 1. So in general you can write as k of 4x square plus x plus 1, where k is real number. Okay, the value of k can be anything, but it is a real number. If value of k is 1, you will get this one. If value of k is 2, you will get a different one. Even though it is a different one, sum of roots and product of roots will be same. Sixth one, 4, 1. Let the polynomial be ax square plus bx plus c and its zeros be alpha and beta. Okay, we'll write what they are given. Given alpha plus beta is 4, alpha into beta is 1. From this what we can write? Alpha plus beta equal to minus of minus 4. I can write that alpha alpha and beta equal to 1. Okay, I want denominator as well. So since there is no denominator, I am writing divide by 1. Okay, I want minus 1 outside of this bracket, so I wrote minus of minus. Okay, minus of minus 4 plus 4. This is equal to minus b by a. This one is c by a. If you look at the value of a is 1, a is 1, b is minus 4, c is 1. Okay, if a is 1, b is minus 4, c is 1, therefore the quadratic polynomial is okay, ax square plus bx plus c. A is 1, so x square minus x square bx means b is minus 4, so minus 4x plus 1, c is constant 1. So in general, you can write as k of x square minus 4x plus 1, where k is real. Okay, if k is 1, you will get this polynomial. If k is 2, you will get a different polynomial. I will give one tip, okay, for sum of roots and product of roots. Okay, I will solve this question in a different method. Okay, sum of roots, okay, if sum of roots is 4 and product of roots is 1, okay, so general equation is ax square plus bx plus c, right? Okay, also you can write this general equation in other way, x square minus alpha plus beta plus alpha into beta. This way you can write it. This is also another general form. Simply you can substitute the value. Okay, alpha plus beta, sum of roots is 4, right? Sorry, here x will come. Okay, alpha plus beta equal to 4, right? I wrote 4 directly, 4x plus product of roots is 1. Okay, this is the answer. So if you look at the previous answer, it is same. So this is also a general form. Directly you can substitute. If you got for 1 mark, okay, straight away you can do this one.